Hi everyone. Previously we had discussed on the escape sequences, right? Escape sequences. Today we'll be discussing about formatted strings. Formatted strings. F hyphen strings, right? Formatted strings. So here formatted strings are the F hyphen strings. This one formatted strings. Basically, what it does, it allows embedding variables inside the strings. It allows embedding variables inside the strings using flower braces. This one, right? Using flower brackets with a prefix F right before the string. So formatted strings are also known as F. This one hyphen strings allow embedding variables inside the strings using flower brackets prefix f with a prefix f before the string, right? So before considering the example, let me tell you one thing. So this was introduced in Python 3.6, right? So this was introduced in Python 3.6, right? So basically formatted strings or f hyphen strings provide a cleaner way to concatenate strings with variables. What it does, it provide a cleaner way to concatenate strings with the variables, right? So again, I'm telling, just keep this in mind, man. Introduced in Python 3.6. This was introduced in 3.6 formatted strings concept. This was introduced in Python 3.6. F hyphen strings, basically they provide a cleaner way to concatenate strings with the variables, right? Let's see very simple example, man. Let's see very simple example. So I'll just go with a variable name. Let me give here Bharadwaj. Let me give here Bharadwaj, and age, let me give here 26. Age, let me give here 26, right? So here we can make use of the formatted string or f hyphen string to the format. So just let me give some random variable name here. So this one, uh, I'll just make use of f. Initially we have to make use of f, right? So then we have to start with a double inverted comma. So this one will be my name is so we have to include the this one variable name. So here we have name, we can just include the name, and also I can just give here and I am. So we have age as well. We have the variable age as well. So within the flower bracket, so I'll just give age here. Age years old. Age years old. Right. So the final one, let's consider. Sorry. Let's consider one more example here. Let's consider one more example here. So let's go with the arithmetic inside formatted string, right? Let's go with the arithmetic inside formatted string. So I'll just go with the year equals. So we have to start with f again. We have to start with f again, double inverted comma. So this will be next year. I I will. Um, so what shall I give here? I will be suppose within the flower bracket. So I'll just give age plus one. I'll be age plus one. So here Bharadwaj will be age plus one next year, right? So next year. So let me give comma here so that this looks correct. Good, right? So this is fine. So suppose if we print this one. So let me give here print of, suppose let me print the greeting and year. So let me go with the greeting. Also let me print here this one year, right? So this one year, right? Now suppose if I print greeting and year, suppose if I print greeting and here the output that I need to get here is my name is Bharadwaj and I am 26 years old, and I'm 26 years old. Here variables has to be replaced directly, right? So let's see the same thing, man. First let me give here Python. I have given formatted strings, right? So let me come here, rename, let me copy this one, paste here, py. So here see, my name is Bharadwaj and I am 26 years old. So variables are replaced directly here. Variables are replaced directly here. So name, I have initialized the name with Bharadwaj within the strings, and I have initialized age with a integer, nothing but 26, right? So here variables are replaced directly. So this is one main advantage of making use of this one formatted strings, right? So again we are printing the year as well, this one as well, right? So here next year I'll be 27. Next year I'll be 27, right? So here expression inside the flower brackets will be evaluated. Age, we already have this one assigned to the number integer 26, right, or the number 26 here. So age plus 1 would be 26 plus 1. So what I'm trying to say here is expression inside the flower brackets will be evaluated. Here in this case it will be 26 plus 1, 26 plus 1, this will be 27. So my name is Bharadwaj and I'm 26 years old, and next year I'll be 27. We are getting the correct output, right? So let me summarize whatever we have learned till now, right? So we can make use of f, we can make use of formatted strings starting from the f. Then we have to go with the double inverted comma, that one just to embed the variables directly, basically it supports expressions and formatting inside the flower brackets. I hope this concept, the concept of formatted strings, is completely clear, right? The concept of formatted strings is completely clear, right? So now we are done with the formatted strings concept. Next we'll be discussing about the string methods. For now this is it. Thanks for watching, guys.